Our nation is in the midst of a conversation on one of the most important issues of our time, healthcare reform. There's been a lot of back and forth about this issue in the media and in Washington, D.C. But the bottom line here is very simple. Inaction is not an option. Our current healthcare system is bankrupting families and forcing businesses to shut their doors as premiums are rising 3 times faster than wages. And healthcare costs are the #1 cause of our long-term deficits, which is why achieving healthcare reform is the #1 thing we can do for our nation's long-term fiscal health. Now, healthcare reform can be a hard issue to understand, but it's one that affects every family in every community across this nation. So as Congress debates this issue here in Washington, I want you to be a part of the conversation. That's why I'm asking you to get involved by responding to this video with any questions you might have about healthcare reform. Then, this Wednesday, July 1st, I'll answer some of the most popular questions in an online town hall. Ultimately, your engagement on this issue is just as important as that of our lawmakers. I've always believed that real change doesn't come from Washington. It comes from the American people, and we won't be able to achieve reform without you. So America, tell me what you want to know about healthcare reform, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. I look forward to hearing from you.